How to video, MagniLink Pro. Use the upper button to the left on the control panel to turn the system on or off. A green light next to the on-off button indicates that the system is turned on. The arrow buttons in the middle of the upper row are used to increase or decrease brightness and contrast. To the right, you'll find the function button, marked with an F. If you press that, you will enter a menu system where you can choose between different settings. We'll come back to that button later. The plus and minus buttons in the middle are used to increase or decrease the magnification. On the bottom row to the left, button number 1 is by default used for activating or deactivating autofocus. The function on this button can be set in the menu system that we will show you later. Button number 2 is by default used for overview mode. Press the button to go to lowest magnification. Press again to go back to the selected magnification level. The left of the two buttons on the right side are used to toggle between natural colors and grayscale mode. The right button is used to toggle between different high contrast artificial color modes. Now let's go back to the upper right button, the function button. Press this button to enter the menu system. In the menu system, you toggle between the different features with the arrow keys in the middle of the upper row. You confirm each selection with the function button, F. The first feature is autofocus that can be set to on or off. The next feature is mirror. Press F to mirror the image and press again to go back to normal. View, this is the overview mode. Press the F button to go to overview mode. Press again to go back to your selected level of magnification. The next feature is focus, that offers you the possibility to set the focus manually. Press the F button to activate. Now use the arrow buttons to adjust the focus manually. Reference line. Activate by pressing the F button. The software now says are set. Use the arrow keys to toggle between different curtains and reference lines. Press F again to leave the reference line set. Lamp. This is where you adjust the light level of the built-in lamp on the unit. Press F to activate. Now it says L set. You can now use the arrow keys to decrease or increase the light level of the lamp. Press F again to leave. The next feature is sleep mode. Press F to enter. Now you can set the amount of time that shall pass before the unit enters sleep mode. Choose a suitable time, or turn this function off. Confirm your choices with the F button. Shut off time, press F to confirm. Here you can choose how long the device will wait before shutting off, or you can turn the function off. Program F1. This is where you set the feature that you want to be available on the preset button number 1. Press F to activate. Now you can decide which feature that you want to be available for preset button 1. Use the arrow keys to choose between the different features. By default, the preset feature for button 1 is autofocus. Press F to confirm your choices. Preset button number 2, same thing as for preset button number 1. The next feature is OSD, on-screen display language. Activate by pressing the function button, F. You can now choose the on-screen language of your choice. Press F again to confirm. Exit, choose Exit to go back to normal mode. Thank you for watching. You can learn more at lviglobal.se.